Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money online using Midjourney in a different way or in unique ways. Now, Midjourney, for those that are new, if you have not heard of this is the first time you've encountered this is an AI tool, very powerful AI tool that allows you to create image based on your textual descriptions only, based on text, okay, based on written text. Okay, if you've heard of OpenAI's DALL-E or Stable Diffusion, it kind of works the same. Now, if you say Midjourney alone, this is actually they're actually an independent research lab that specializes in developing AI technologies. However, the product or Midjourney product, they name it kind of the same as the company, so there that is because that is, I believe, one of their main products. So if you go to Midjourney, you will be able to create an account and then you'll be routed to their Discord server, which is how you can generate the image, how you will be able to generate the image. And then from there, you'll be able to, utilize those and monetize those. How? I will be showing you different ways. So just to give you an idea what images you can generate. So if you go to their website, you click Community Showcase. All of this image that you see, all of this were generated by Midjourney AI. Very powerful tool. Some are even photorealistic. So all of these are just based from textual description. So if you hover your mouse, like say, for example, this one, the person who generated this image, all they have to do is to type this prompt and the AI did its thing. Okay, so you just type /imagine and then this. Okay, very amazing. Okay, so there's a lot of ways, tons of different ways for you to make money online using Midjourney, and I'll be showing you some of the unique ways. Okay, now before we begin, I would appreciate Midjourney create an account. You'll be routed to a Discord server, so something like this. You'll start with the newbie page. So all you have to do is to, on the bottom of the screen, you'll type /imagine and then hit tab, and then you'll be able to type in the message that you want to do. For example, the person who generated this for image just type Funko Pop World after /imagine. Okay, so when you type that, Midjourney will automatically give you four different variants of image. Okay, and then if you have decided to use any of this, you click any of the, like U1, you click this. Okay, U2, U3, U4, so U meaning upscale, and then Midjourney will give you a one image of that item that or image that you want to be upscaled, okay, on an upscaled setting. Okay, however, what if you want to use four of this? You can click four of this. Okay, however, whenever you do that, you will be consuming credits. Okay, now if you are free, I think you have like 15 minutes free GPU time. Okay, so that's how they measure it. So you will be using 4 credits for you to upscale all of this. Now there is another AI tool that I'll be showing you called grid splitter. So you can use all of this four without consuming any credits. All you have to do is to click this, and then you right click, you click copy image address, and then you go to MJ splitter. So from here you right click and then you paste and then split image. It will automatically give you the four different, now these are not upscaled. Okay, however, you can use separate tools like Photoshop, Canva, and so on to enhance and further upscale the image. Okay, so just to save some credits for you if you're a free user. Now if you are like a paid user, so okay, so here are their different plans. Okay, so basic plan, standard, pro plan. Their relaxed time, I believe, is unlimited. Okay, so they have fast, and then they have a relaxed option which would not consume credits, but again it is lower than the fast option, but still okay, 1 to 2 minutes, I believe. Okay, now with regards to the rights for you to use the image, if you are in any of their subscription plan from basic to pro plan, you have general commercial terms, which is, you will see here, if you have subscribed at any point, you are free to use your image in just about any way you want. So that's how you want it. So you can actually use general commercial terms to potentially sell it, okay, make money from it, monetize it, and so on. All right, so how do we make money online? I'll show you different ways. First is you can go to Redbubble, create your account. So this is a print-on-demand service. So all you have to do is you click sell your art, and then if you click sell your art, you'll be able to attach your image generated from Midjourney, okay, and then attach it to different merchandise like mugs, phone cases, t-shirts, what else, wallpaper designs, okay, arts, hoodies, caps, pillowcases, and so much more, everything. Okay, so whenever there's someone who purchase, okay, because Redbubble will handle the marketing and all of that, the fulfillment and so on. So whenever there's someone who purchase, you will make a commission. Okay, you can actually promote the Redbubble, your Redbubble store as well, if you have a following with social media and so on, or if you have your own website, your own blog, you can definitely promote it. Okay, so that's one way. Another way is use Vexels. So Vexels, the difference here is like print on demand as well. However, the difference here with Redbubble, kind of similar. Here, they focus on digital assets, icons, graphics, templates, logos, stickers, and so much more. Now, you can actually, it's like you can get an image from here and then you can use it on Redbubble, something like that. So you can make money here by selling those items. So selling the image itself. So you can make money here, and then, here are some of the products that they offer, but you can go ahead and create your account and then make money by selling those digital items. All right. Another way for you to make money online here is going to Spoonflower. So this website, you can make money here by selling a lot of things. However, you can focus on wallpaper or decor items. So if you go to Midjourney, I'll show you. If you go, there's an option here, community forums. I'll show you just an example. Okay, you can generate your own, like say wallpaper. Okay, if you click this one, wallpaper designs, so from here, okay, you'll be able to use this. Okay, no, not use it, just use it as an inspiration. Okay, so well, these are different wallpapers, so just to give you an idea. Okay, so wallpapers, interior designs, and so much more. So you can use that and then sell it on Spoonflowers. Okay, fabrics, home decor items, and so much more. So here you'll see enjoy payouts every 2 weeks. So $10 in earnings is the minimum payout for you to get sale. Okay, and then earn 11 to 15% of material sales as a power seller. Okay, so that's Spoonflower. Another way for you to make money online using Midjourney, the images you've generated from Midjourney, is House. So this website for you to make money online here is you can sell home design products. Okay, particularly interior design. So if you go to Midjourney, you will actually be surprised. It is amazing. So if you type interior design, okay, and then you will see this different designs, okay, all created by Midjourney, which is, in and of itself is really amazing. Different categories, different styles, contemporary, you have modern, you have artistic, you have unique, and so much more. So all of this have been generated just from the prompts itself. This one looks like even, a very professional, good looking magazine cover. So you can sell those. Okay, you just get an idea and then create your own and then sell it on this website. Okay, another way for you to make money online is you can go to Etsy and then search for paintings on canvas, just an example. Okay, so from here you will be able to see, you can attach it to a canvas and then sell it. So if you click here, if you click on Midjourney, image jams, type in paintings, look here, these are all fantastic images. Okay, this particular one, paintings that does not exist. Okay, gladiator oil paintings. Okay, really amazing. Okay, face paintings and so much more, frame paintings, amazing. Okay, so that's Etsy. And lastly is on its own, you can use Midjourney as an idea generator for you to make money online. So you can make money online using Midjourney as an idea generator. So if you go simply to Fiverr or Upwork, you type in sticker, you will see here, look, 943 orders. I will print custom vinyl stickers of your logo design. I will create premium sticker batch design, 21 pounds, like $25. Okay, we'll exchange it to dollars. I will create custom sticker designs, sticker packs, and so much more. So the same with logos. Okay, so here, 68 1K plus orders creating logos. If you go here and then you type here sticker, okay, so here you will be able to see different stickers, different options for you to generate it. Another one is logo. So if you type here logo, okay, I'll give you an idea. Okay, so this one, coffee logo, okay, flowers, logos, and so much more. These are amazing. Okay, so in and of itself, Midjourney is very powerful tool. There's just so many ways for you to make money online. Using this, you just have to utilize your creative mind, creative thinking, use the resources that is available, so you can potentially make your passion for art, passion for design and creativity into a very profitable venture. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate if you can hit the